What's good, YouTube, bro? In today's video, I'm gonna be telling y'all these purple brand jean mistakes that y'all should not make, bro. But like, let me show y'all real quick right here, bro. What I'm talking about, like, bro, this was like the worst mistake I ever made, bro. Size 28, bro. I wear a size 30, bro. I thought I was buying a size 29, bro. Don't ask me how this happened. I thought I was buying a size 29 because I like my jeans to be skinny. I don't want them to be baggy and all that. But yeah, so I bought these and I put them on, bro. I'm gonna show y'all a picture of what they look like right here. Like, bro, I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all, bro. It's a certain way a lot of people like their jeans to fit, bro. You don't want them to be super skinny, like on some ATL type jeans, but you want them to be skinny. So I'm gonna show y'all how I like them right here. Alright, y'all, as we can see, we on a purple brand site. I'm gonna show y'all how to size y'all jeans correctly. There is options, but sometimes, bro, you will go to the skinny section, buy a pair, and they will not be skinny. Like, so when you looking at the purple jeans, right? If the purple jeans look like this, they're not gonna be skinny how you want them, bro. If y'all like know Mary's, bro, this is what you wanna look for, bro. When they have on the shoes like this and it's like tight around the ankle, bro, that's how you know they're about to be skinny. But like, let me show y'all right here. It should be like this, fake like this. But like, if y'all want it to be fitted, bro, just look at the ankle, bro. If the ankle is like kind of tight around the shoe a little bit, then it's gonna be fitted. But if it's baggy at the like this, bro, you don't want that. Unless that's your style, you don't want that. But and see, you see how this says low rise skinny, but look how baggy those are, bro. You don't want your purples like none of these. And these right here, bro, I don't know. I copped these in a size 30, but like I don't like. I'm gonna show y'all right here. Do I even have these right now? No, these are in the box, but I'm gonna show y'all with these right here. Like y'all, these right here, size 30, fit perfectly. Same with the blue ones that I showed you on the picture. Size 30 fit perfect. I was gonna get a size 31 in those because those was fake skinny. But yeah, bro, you wanna go for like the purples that look like this, bro, at the end. Because if you go to Amiri, you will see a lot of Amiri. They wear these type of shoes, bro, because these shoes are real skinny, bro. So if y'all want to get y'all purple jeans real skinny, bro, this is what y'all gotta look for, bro. That's the key to look for when you're going for purple jeans. Now we gonna go look at the Mirai Slim. Because I do have a few PO2s. But like right here, bro, these are not slim. These are skinny. These right here, good purples. You should cop those. And then, okay, they don't really have a lot, but these right here, I got these off Nordstrom. You could get these off Nordstrom for cheaper, I'm pretty sure. But get these in a size 29 if you want them to be more skinnier. Even if like right here, right? It would say model 6'2" wearing a size 32. A size 32 will be fake baggy on you, even if you 6'6'1", bro. So you go for that size 29, size 30, bro.